Okay guys, I made a picture video for you guys. I would have put text on with the pictures to tell you what kind of bikes those are, but to tell you the truth, I don't. With the program I have, I mean, I could do it, but I just don't have the time to do it. Because it's like 1:30 right now, and as you see, I'm laying in bed, and I've got to get to sleep within the next hour. But at least I did this much. I went to the motorcycle event. There was a band there, but I can't download the music the band played because it would be a copyright strike. YouTube would never let the video go through. I tried that already. So, hope you enjoy. And yes, it was boring because the typical Harley Davidson people were there.